What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And in this one, we're going to be talking about the overall cryptocurrency market, but specifically talking about XRP and if XRP can pass Ethereum. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that will just say, yes, it's going to pass Ethereum, video over. No needed added explanation is not needed, right? So why are we even talking about this? Well, there's a majority of people out there that probably want to sit on the side of what the market cap is and the potential ceiling of these market caps, the levels that XRP did get to previously, rather than what the future could bring for this position. And I think it's kind of eye-opening because as we see the opportunity that XRP brings to us, there's still that question mark, and there's always that question mark around certain positions, and it's understandable. It has to be understandable for all of us involved, every single investor. And I'm not a large investor by any means. I am a 1,787 XRP holder, and there's people that are holding 20,000, 30,000, 100,000 XRP and just love what this project is all about. And I do love what this project is all about. I just feel as though maybe, a lot of people are getting too far ahead of themselves by saying it's going to get to $10,000. However, you never really know. There's always that chance. And we all know that, right? Because we look at what has happened with Dogecoin and what has happened with Shiba Inu and what has happened with a lot of other plays that are out there. And you're like, this has no use in the market, but it still has volume. It still is worth billions upon billions, tens of billions of dollars. And it's surprising to see that because they're not doing anything. They may have the potential to do something, but they're not doing anything. So currently, guys, the market is sitting at a $1.3 trillion market cap. And I think we need to understand whether XRP is going to be a major part of that market cap when it gets to a $13 trillion market cap or $31 trillion market cap. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. I have my business email down there. If you guys want to reach out to me for any type of review or partnership or sponsorship, feel free to check out that email. And also, if you guys want to follow me on Rumble, I'm doing a lot more on Rumble. I want to do more weekend streams. I don't know if I'll have time to do it today, but if you see me live today on Rumble, then obviously I had a little bit of time to do so. But let's talk about the crypto market. And again, more specifically, let's talk about XRP. So for the crypto market, we're seeing it at a $1.3 trillion market cap. Overall, we're looking at a decrease in the dominance, which is something that I like to see. I brought this to everyone's attention yesterday, and the fact that we are seeing the decrease in dominance, but then the increase in the overall market cap means that altcoins are kind of taken over, and that kind of puts XRP in that place to now start moving, right? Because Bitcoin is sitting at a 1.6% increase for today at 34,800, but Ethereum is at 1,847. It's moving about 3% on the day. XRP is up 2.2%, closing in on that 62 cent mark. If we zoom into where XRP is, we see again it's at the or close to 62 cent mark. Seeing it at a $33 billion market cap with $1.1 billion worth of volume as of right now. Now, people, I guess, are still skeptical, and most people are still looking to invest into a lot of these less risky plays. So ones that are like Ethereum or Bitcoin, right? Or sometimes they'll even put Solana in there, but I don't know if you've seen that movement that it had, aggressive movement and then aggressive pullback and then an aggressive movement back up to, the levels that it was at. But XRP has a ton of upside, and a lot of people believe in what this project can do. The only question mark, or another question mark that they do have, is around the circulating supply and wondering what's going to happen there. Because there could be a chance where the entire escrow is burned. And if the entire escrow is burned, that means that you're only looking at a max of a 53, 54, 55 billion dollar market cap at a $1 price. And once you see that burned, if they decide to do that, XRP would skyrocket to a whole nother level. But right now they're still introducing, I believe, a billion a month, 1 billion XRP a month. And they'll continue to do that, for until they obviously reach the overall max supply. Now, when I was researching a little bit for this video, I really didn't have to do much because it's mainly off of my opinion, where I feel like it is, while also including other opinions that are out there. XRP in this price over here. So will XRP be worth more than Ethereum? So will it be bigger than Ethereum? So things that I didn't know because I wasn't a part of the crypto market back then in 2018, but apparently Ripple XRP overtook Ethereum 3 times in the second half of 2018 in the terms of market capitalization, not in the terms of price. So can it pass that, right? Can it pass a, what is it, $200 billion market cap as of right now for Ethereum? I believe it definitely can pass a $200 billion market cap, $220 billion market cap. However, what will Ethereum be as XRP is growing as well? Will Ethereum jump to a $500 billion market cap? Can XRP surpass a $500 billion market cap? A lot of people will tell you yes. A lot of people will say XRP is definitely going to be worth that much. When you look at the implementation, when you look at the fact that it's tied to banks, it's tied to our monetary system, it's tied to our money, and it has that in. It's not necessarily there yet. It's not necessarily at a place to where XRP can completely take over there, but it's kind of like having a backup quarterback, right? So you have all these different options that are out in banks, but maybe they're not as, they don't communicate well with each other. But you know what does communicate well with each other while you're using the Ripple payment system? XRP. So you have that backup quarterback that's like, yeah, the quarterback's not really performing well, but this backup quarterback is right here, and this is Tom Brady, right? Tom Brady comes in, he's once he starts one game or once he plays one game, he's never going back on the bench, right? So that's really where that stands. And I think that's what we're going to see with XRP because, again, it overtook Ethereum multiple times. People believe that Ethereum, yes, while it does have a major form of utility and could have, even more forms of utility as we go forward within the crypto market, I still think XRP, where it stands within our monetary system, within our banks, I feel as though that's a better in than what Ethereum has at the moment. So in my opinion, yes, I do think XRP will overtake Ethereum. And in the past, I was always talking about how Ethereum will overtake Bitcoin and Ethereum has this and Ethereum has that. But it's starting to look kind of like the other way where XRP might have that chance to really push up and take over what Bitcoin is. And Bitcoin just stays in the top 5 because of nostalgia rather than actual use, or the people invest into that and invest in it long term and watch it grow long term versus the more aggressive movement and consistent use of that position. So I don't know. Let me know what your opinion is. It's definitely difficult to see what the top 3 is going to look like. You can say that, hey, it's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. That would be the safe bet. But can we assume that XRP could overtake Ethereum? XRP could overtake Bitcoin? Let me know your opinion down below. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you guys check me out on Rumble. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.